At Music Museum, and with us, the honor with the three awardee, no other than the veteran season director, film director, no other than Direk Jose Cacabalagtas, and the prominent upcoming singer, Women of the Year, Miss Charina Carmen Joson, and also his son is also the awardee. Umpisahan muna natin dito sa, syempre ladies first tayo. Yes, Miss Karina, dahil ngayon ay ilo-launch yung debut single mo. Ano po yung title ng album?
Debut single, ang title po ay Carry On.
Opo, bakit Carry On?
Because dahil po, it's a song about never giving up, about doing what you have to do, and because I have your back, or God has your back, it could be a family member or friend that has unconditional love and support for you. So, whatever it is that you're going through, just carry on.
Pwede bang kahit akapela ng konting sample? Oh, sige, sige.
Sometimes life isn't easy, even if you did a million good things, people could still judge you. But don't forget that I am always here. We need to lend a helping hand, and I would surely understand.
Bravo, talagang wow, very excellent.
Next yung chorus, mamaya nyo na mapapakita.
Mamaya na yun yung element of surprise. And also, can I get your reaction po for this prestigious award na alam naman natin, isang dekada na tong awarding ni Mr. Richard Hinola.
Of course, it's always such an honor to be part of this awarding body and to be awarded as Woman of the Year tonight. And dito pa po ilo-launch yung debut single ko na Carry On. So, sobra-sobra po ang pasasalamat ko ng family ko at ng group ng H Music kay Sir Richard Hinola, and also para po ma-recognize niya yung mga ginagawa ko to be awarded as Woman of the Year. Kasi nakita niyo, being
Yan nga eh.
Philippine right now and singer, nakita niyo po yung mga ginagawa kong empowerment actions or whatever na ginagawa sa community. So, nais ko pong paalam na lalo ko pong pagbubutihin at sana dumami pa po ang mga ma-empower kong women para tumulong din ulit sa iba.
Yeah,
Salamat.
congratulations, you're such an inspiration. Siyempre,
Thank you.
punta naman tayo sa anak mo. Yes, Gerald, ano masasabi mo na isa ka din sa awardee?
Sorry, hindi po siya awardee, presenter po siya. Last
ikaw-
time po sa Glitter Philippines, siya po yung awardee. This time, he's being invited by Mr. Hinola to present the awards for the youth awardees.
Oo, anong masasabi mo na at young age ay nagpe-present ka na sa mga prestigious award?
Masaya naman po ako, pero mostly confused tsaka excited kasi ngayon lang po ako ngayon
Na-expose.
Yeah.
Oo.
In English, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay to speak in
Okay,
English.
just you come and that is, and also the last but not the least is the veteran film director. Yes, congratulations na Direk Jose Cacabalagtas being one of the outstanding, and of course the title of being the season film director. Pag sinabi nating Direk Cacabalagtas, talagang tatak na ng industriya. Ano po yung masasabi nyo dito sa isang dekadang prestiyosong award ni Mr. Richard Hinola ay kayo ang napili?
Matutuwa ako at excited din kasi nabigyan tayo ng pansin ni Richard Hinola, di ba? Para bigyan award na seasons director. So, kay Richard, thank you, boss.
Siyempre, laging kasama ang supported wife, si Tita Nida Balagtas.
Yes.
Yan po yung mga awardee natin. And again, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Maraming po salamat.
Okay, Direk.